Hello all and welcome to this quick tutorial. I just want to give this to you. And today we're going to go over a quick and more balanced and edited tutorial on how to do use the Finale Hyperscribe feature to notate music. So first what we're going to do, you may see all this stuff on the screen, sorry about that. First thing you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and go up to Setup Wizard. And to make things faster, I'm just going to pick a template that's already pre-made, or one of the templates that I have already pre-made, and that's going to be concert band in full. And this is going to have all from piccolo to maybe a double bass to euphonium, all that stuff. And I'm going to add a little bit of things. There we go. And then we're going to click next. No, we're just going to do it for this piece. We're going to title it, put your composer name, and put your lyricist. If there is one, in this case there isn't. And then your copyright information. Alright, and then we're going to click next and do our key. I'm going to click A minor for this, and then it's going to be 60 for the tempo. Then I'm going to set the number of measures at 100. And if I need to add more later in this piece, I will. Click finish. And it's going to actually give us our piece real quick. And one thing I forgot to do was set the page. It's going to be very, very small for the conductor. What you're going to want to do is once it's done loading, you're going to want to go back to page layout in the main tool palette and put your page size bigger, because Command T, because it's going to be very, very hard for the conductor to read. So what you want to do is resize. You're going to want to go to page size, going to want to go to let's go 11 by 16 A3, 11 by 16.5. Say yes, and then you're going to go back to page layout, and we're going to go to resize staff or system reduction. We're going to go to 56, and we're going to see how big that makes it. And then we still got quite a bit of room at the bottom, and then we're going to go back to page layout menu up at the top and go resize staff again, and we're going to go 78, and we're going to see what happens there. That should be big enough for you. Alrighty then, so here we go. Here's our piece. And I'm going to go to MIDI and audio device setup, and we go to MIDI speaker internal setup, and you're going to see you want to change your keyboard to the one I'm using now, which is the V25, at least this V25. You select that, select V25, and then good to go. And then you can actually go to MIDI audio again and select reassign playback sounds. It'll ask you if you want to alter your whole document. Yes. It will actually reload all the sound patches to another sound synth that you pick. So then we're going to go ahead and wait till it's done doing that, and after that we will start our piece. Now if you go over here on the left, you're going to have your main tool palette to the far left or wherever you put it. Selection tools the top left, staff tools the next one down the line, time signature tools the next one down, Hyperscribe is the fourth tool down the line. So what you're going to want to do, I'm going to go to window here to check my sounds. Okay, so it's switched to Garrison Instruments, which is what we want. You're going to go down to the fourth menu down, or the fourth icon down in the main tool palette, which is Hyperscribe. You're going to click it until it's blue. Okay. And you're going to click what one you want to do. And I'm going to go flute. This is just how you do it. Two measures and then you play. And then that's it. That's how you use Hyperscribe. And then you could actually put in, let's say you wanted to do, there's a piano in my score and there's also a harp. So let's say you wanted to split it into two staves. You go to Hyperscribe, click the split into staves button, and you're going to get some stuff here. So you're going to click listen. And you're going to press a note and it's going to come up with a number that will be the split point for the keyboard. So you're going to go 56. No, we don't want that. So we're going to click listen. Down the octave. Press the octave button on my keyboard here. And then we're going to click 55. So that's what we're going to split it, which is G below middle C. So we're going to go OK, click OK, and then we're going to go down to our harp part. And we're going to click a measure. Let's click this one out in the middle of nowhere here. Alright, and then we can just click anywhere in the piece to click stop, and then we're good to go. So that is how you use Hyperscribe. That's at least 2 of them. I could do another Hyperscribe tutorial. Please comment or like this video if you want to see more Hyperscribe tutorials by me. and I will be sure to make them go. If you have any questions, please feel free to consult the comments, and I will check in with you later. Also, please feel free to go to the link below for my new Write Your First Piece of Music in 14 Steps Finale Edition. The first 100 coupons are free. Please feel free and consult the course and leave me a Q&A question or comment, and give me a review on that course. If you like what you see here, you're going to love that course. So please feel free to check out the links below the video, and I will see you later. And please feel free to type in the 24-hour free in all caps. That'll be in the link below the video. Anyway, happy composing.